Friday morning, joining Mr. PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and this is your outlook for September 12th, 2014. And after a cold front moved through last night, and it really came through unabated, really wasn't much precipitation with it at all. And that's one of the things we outlined in yesterday's video, is that the models are really not picking up on much in the way of precipitation. And the aggressiveness of the models earlier in the week was really starting to back down, and that's what happened yesterday. Most areas stayed dry with just a few isolated showers here and there, but really not that big of a deal. Today, high pressure is going to move in. This is going to be a weak high pressure. It's going to be short-lived in and out, and that's going to be in control of our weather today. So mostly sunny conditions. Winds will be out of the north because of the position of this high pressure for most of our coverage area here, but not too bad. One thing that will be noticeably different is your humidity will be much lower, so a low humidity day and a very nice day overall for your Friday. Can't say the same thing about Saturday, unfortunately. We're going to move a little bit forward and get into Saturday here. We're going to have a system that's going to be moving in from the west here. Now, this is really not showing a surface low pressure here, but it's right about here is a surface low pressure. Some precipitation that's going to be coming in from the south at the same time. This low pressure and its associated cold front are going to be pushing east here. And this is really going to move in here probably with some showers, and there's not going to be enough instability to really have any thunderstorms. So this is going to be moving in with just shower activity, and we can expect that maybe mid to late morning for a start time and lasting in through the afternoon. So I do think it comes in a little bit earlier than we expected over the last couple days here, but doesn't look like it's going to stick around too long. So we get to the next frame here. You can see it kind of comes together here. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Low pressure is now sitting up here, and you have this mess over our coverage area. So everybody's getting rain here at 2 p.m. And this is actually the previous 6 hours total here of precipitation, but it's really going to be, again, something like maybe 10 to 12, 10 a.m. to noon of a start time on Saturday. And then, of course, it's going to be ending in the mid to late afternoon hours on Saturday. So if you had any plans Saturday, unfortunately, you're going to have to be dealing with the rain. And then that'll be moving out of here by Saturday late afternoon or early evening. And that pulls away. We have high pressure, then it's going to move in behind it. And that's going to be in control of our weather here for both Sunday and Monday. And then again, Monday night, late Monday night into early Tuesday, another system is going to be coming in. This is actually looking at overnight Monday night with another system moving in, another weak system. And next frame here is early Tuesday morning, and you can see we have some leftover showers here in the morning that are going to be moving out of here pretty quickly. So Tuesday is going to be one of those days where you have showers in the morning giving way to partial clearing later in the day, so it's not going to be an all-day event on Tuesday either. And going a little bit further beyond that, we have high pressure moving in. Every time we get these reinforcing shots, you're going to have some very chilly air coming in behind it. And I say chilly, it's really not chilly, but it's chilly for this time of year. Normal temperatures now are probably running around the mid-70s on average. So if we're talking about temperatures that are stuck in the upper 60s or near 70 degrees, that's still below normal, and it's chilly for this time of year. We really shouldn't be that cool yet, but we are going to be as we head into next week. And one of those models that are indicating that, we're going to go over to the GFS, and it's got cut off for a little bit here, but you can still see our coverage area, so that's okay. Many things in the GFS is typical for what the GFS is showing for next week. You can see a lot of temperatures in the 30s for low temperatures here. Some of them getting pretty close to freezing up here in the Poconos. So I do think we are going to get into some areas that are going to have frost, probably in the areas that I'm circling right now. But we'll have to examine that as we get a little bit closer. One of the things that are looking like it's going to happen is we're going to have temperatures consistently in the 40s for low, as opposed to 50s and 60s like we've been accustomed to. But this is, according to the GFS anyway, showing 40s all the way down to the Philadelphia metro. So if that were the case, this might be a little overdone, but if that's the case, this will be definitely a shock and a feel like fall as we get into next week especially. So maybe a few cool shots before then, but I think you're going to consistently get into some lower temperatures as we get into the next week and a half. and where we're consistently below normal for temperatures for this time of year. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich. That is your outlook for September 12th, 2014. Have a great Friday.